Hello students, my name is Amrit and in this video we will learn about the functions and formations of different types of tissues. Before we begin, let's first discuss about our favorite organism, that is the amoeba. कितना ही simple और beautiful organism है ये. And the most remarkable thing about the amoeba is that it is made up of a single cell. Nothing else. No organ systems, no tissues, no different types of cells doing various functions. Just a single cell which performs all of the functions of feeding, reproduction, movement and everything else. तो एक तरफ है हमारे अमीबा और दूसरी तरफ है ये जनाब, our human body. इनमें एक सेल से काम नहीं चलता. The human body, it is made up of millions of cells and even those cells are of different types. These cells which perform the same functions, they group together to form the tissue and a group of similar tissue, they form the organ. थोड़ा confusing लगा? चलिए इसे आसान तरीके से समझते हैं. जितने भी multicellular organisms होते हैं, like humans, plants and animals, they are made of different types of cells. Now these multicellular organisms, they have a more complex structure as compared to unicellular organisms, and also their cells, they show cell specialization. Every cell in our body has a specific function or role. Now, a group of these similar cells, when they come together to perform a common function, they are called a tissue. Tissue performing similar functions forms the organs. Organs form the organ system, and different types of organ system, they make our entire body. और इसी तरह का organization level is found in several other multicellular organisms. Even in plants, they also have different types of cells and tissues which allows them to attain different types of shapes and sizes. Well, now there are some differences between the tissues of a plant and those of animals. Plants are mostly stationary, that is, they are fixed in one place. अब क्योंकि they are fixed in one place and they have to be upright, they require a large number of supportive tissues which helps in this process. और ये जो supportive tissues होते हैं, they are usually made up of dead cells. Now animals, they can't be stationary. They have to run or they have to climb trees in search of food. They have to move around in search for shelter and also for the purpose of reproduction. अब इसकी वजह से animals, they consume a lot of energy and they require tissues which can help them with these activities. One more difference which contributes in the different tissue structures is the way in both plants and animals consume nutrition. Plants, they are autotrophs, therefore they require specialized cells and tissues which help them perform photosynthesis. Similarly, animals, they are heterotrophs, and in order to consume nutrition from outside sources, they require their own set of specialized tissues. Plants, even though they are stationary, they have to endure the harsh weather conditions, that is the scorching sun, strong winds, rains, extreme cold, snow, etc. However, animals, they can protect themselves against such harsh conditions by finding shelter. Thus, plants, they need specialized tissue system which helps them against such extreme weather conditions. Even animals also possess these tissues which helps them to adapt to their different habitat. In case of plants, the growth of tissues, it is limited only in certain region of the plants. कुछ ऐसे तरह के tissues होते हैं which divides throughout the life of the plant. अब ऐसे जो tissue होते हैं, they are continuously dividing and they occur only in certain region of the plant. And these type of tissues, they are called meristematic tissues. Now, the cells which are made up from meristematic tissues, they take up a particular function and shape. Also, they lose their ability to divide. Such type of cells which has taken a permanent shape and function and which has lost its ability to divide are called permanent tissues. These permanent tissues, they are further divided into simple permanent tissues and complex permanent tissues. Similarly, animals, they are also made up of different types of tissues. They are epithelial tissues, connective tissues, muscular tissues and nervous tissues. We will learn more about the different types of tissues in both plants and animals in our in-class section. we will also understand that how these different types of tissues, they play very specific roles in the functioning of the entire organism. Till then, goodbye and take care.